First we had the fidget cube. Now we have the fidget spinner. So the newest fidget toy came out. This is a fidget spinner. I don't think it's quite as fidgety as the cube. You know, there's so much more you can do with this, but it's neat in its own right. Kind of do random spinny things with it. This thing, if you let it go, will just spin and spin and spin. The only downside that I've seen to this is these little tabs in the center fall off really easily. I don't even know so much that you need them. They probably should be just glued on. But if you enjoyed the fidget cube, I think the fidget spinner is worth checking out. That's pretty much all it does. But as you know, it's a spinner, it spins. Again, you could sit and rock it. And you can watch parts fall off it. Yeah, it's neat. I don't remember exactly what I paid for it, but I thought it was a good companion piece for the cube. And there's not really too much more to say about it. If you enjoyed the cube, I would give this spinner a chance. And that's all I have to say about that. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you later.
If you enjoyed the video, please take the time to like and subscribe.
So another thing I forgot to mention is my dog can't stand this thing. He hates it. There, want it? I don't know why, he just really does not like it. Here. Come on, Maxie. You want to get that? Yeah, he gets very, very aggressive when this thing's in play. Here. So that's one vote for no for the fidget spinner from my dog Max.